Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ginger and I am here today with another plan with me. We are ready for the week of, let's see, March 7th through March 13th. So I'll pull those out. These are my pocket inserts from Poi and Hun. I have pulled a partial kit, used a little bit from Cricut Paper Company because I don't use a whole lot in my my carry-all. My pocket is my carry-all. I've pulled these two washies. One is from Simply Gilded, and the other one I got from Sweet Georgia May's shop on Etsy. And so we will start out with putting down some washi. I don't put down a lot of washi just because it takes up so much space in my planner, but I do like to put down some. So it has been super beautiful in California. One of my favorite things about California is this beautiful weather. I'm actually from Indiana, so I moved here about 6 years ago. Just using some simple washi across the top, kind of as a header. Wednesday and then Thursday. So definitely spring is here in California, and I have started putting down on my planner every week when to water my flowers, because it's a big priority here because of so much sunshine that your plants will die if you do not water. And then Saturday, there we go. There's just some washi to kind of complement this kit. I don't have a ton of stuff planned this week. Let's see. On Mondays, I do a Monday is kind of my cleaning day. But first, let's put down Greg works in Concord this week. So let's put down a sticker for that. Then a to clean, we will put over here. On Sunday the 7th, is put this up here for trash day. And then I'll get a trash sticker out. I want to find one that matches a little better. Let's see. Trash, and then I know on the 7th I have to run a cycle through the washer to clean it. Does anybody else clean their washer? We do it about once a month. Greg works outside, so it gets, I think it just gets filthy. Let's see, add a laundry sticker. Here's one. My pen doesn't want to write on these. I wonder if this one will. clean the washer, and then I need a planner sticker. I always do my planning. I use this one from Coffee Monster Co. And then Monday the 8th. Tuesday the 9th is a payday for Greg. So let's find a payday sticker. Oh, here's one. Here's a garbage one, too. Let's see. Payday. Then I'm going to change out this garbage sticker so I can use one that matches. There we go. And then on Monday the 8th, we also do our grocery shopping. Wednesday the 10th, Thursday the 11th, Friday the 12th, Saturday. I just don't have much planned this week. I'm sure we'll have some bills to pay on use this work sticker on Monday. I don't know yet if I'm getting Happy Mail. Let's put down these boxes for a little decoration. We will put them down on probably Saturday. Use this than my messy handwriting. payday there. Always shopping. There. Okay, I think that is all in my pocket. Let me pull out and there you have it. My week is all planned. It's getting easier to plan in my little pocket because I don't do a whole lot of decoration. It's very functional. So I think I have everything down. I'll probably write in the bills that we have to pay that day. And then I keep these in the back of my planner just as things come up. Then I can just pull a sticker for that week and put it down. So that is my plan with me for the 7th through the 13th. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and I will be back soon with another planner, crafty, or beauty video.